guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thanks so much for clicking on my channel. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit the ring ding bell for notifications. I will support you back as always. This is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? Hope everybody's having a great week so far. So I decided today that I was going to do a very quick look. The lip ended up a little bit darker than I was expecting, but I still love it, so I didn't change it. So a very light eye and a very dark lip. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, it is very easy, it is very quick, it is something you can do with any colors you want, and it just makes for a very beautiful look. So a very kind of a natural look, but you guys, yeah, this is definitely natural for me, except for this part. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. I will be right back. You know the drill. Keep on watching. Hey you guys, so unfortunately I am having to do a voiceover on this. So this is going to be a really easy look. I am using this Pixi by Petra palette that my friend Christina sent me. This is so easy. Basically, I mean, this is just such a fast look. Okay, so I am taking the really light gold shimmer shade in this, and I'm using a brush, a flat brush, any kind of brush will do. There's a really good picture of the palette so you can see there's some cool tones, there's some gold tones and stuff in there. There's also the 3 tones up top that for liner or brows. And so I'm going to take the gold tone right there, and I'm going to take a flat brush or pointy brush or anything you want to use, and you're going to go all over the brow bone with this shade. It makes it very easy. And those are the other 2 Pixi products that Christina sent me. It's an essence and a primer, which I use today, so it looks really beautiful on the face. And then she also sent me those earrings, and they're so gorgeous and I love them. So this is what the product looks like. The Rose Flash, I think it's Rose Flash something, and then the Rose Caviar Essence. So I'm going to take this pointy brush, or you can use a flat brush, and I'm just going to go all over the brow bone with this. This is not like doing a brow bone highlight, it's more like putting color under the brow. So basically we're going to work backwards on this look, and it is very easy and anybody can do it. I chose to use this pointy brush, and I could have used a flat brush. I could really use any brush you want. But you definitely want to make a statement with the top of that brow bone. So this is what I'm going back in and showing you guys. You can kind of use it like you're carving out your brows, so you can use any brush and that'll work. So the next thing I did was I found a brush that I knew that everybody has, or I think that everybody has, which is the Allure fluffy brush. I believe that came in a BoxyCharm or something like that. But I'm going to take the blush color in the middle right there, and it's like a pink color, and I'm going to just slam my crease with this color and just go ham on it. And from inside to outside, you can work it in and out with circular motions, anything you want. It's just a really light pink color, and that's actually a blush. Like I said, it's actually a blush. If you have something more pigmented, you're gonna want to blend it better. I'm also going to go in with the Dusty Rose color after this. This one I'm using now. It's the darker of the blush, and I'm putting that all on the outside of my lid, the inner V or the outer V, and I'm just really trying to deepen up the outer crease. I don't really bring this in too much at all. Just kind of blending it in on the outside there. So now I'm taking a flat brush, and I'm going back in with that brow bone color. And I'm going to take the flat brush, and this is what's making this look so easy. I'm going to go on the inner portion of the lid about 1/4 of the way in, and I'm also going to do my inner corner highlight at the same time. And because this color is like such a bright golden color, it matches up with your brow bone color, and it just brings just a whole different effect to this look. And it's so easy. It is so simple, so easy, and so fast. So this is just really an amazing look, and I'm so glad that I showed you guys this. This is amazing. So I'm going to take that dark Dusty Rose, and then I'm going to get real close up to that bottom lash line, and I'm going to go all the way across with that. And it's going to just give you a little color down there on the bottom. Then I'm doing the other side now, but then I am going to take a liner brush, a very small liner brush. I'm going to tap into that brown and the black, that it can be a liner or brow bone color, and I'm going to use this as a eyeliner. I'm just going to sweep it across as close to the lash line as you can get it. The closer the better. And it looks like you went in and tight lined your eyes as far as the top lid. It looks really good. And it's very easy. So if you have an issue with like transfer with gels or liners or whatever, this is a really good option for you to use that. And then on the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with another flat brush. That's the other Allure brush. And I'm going to dig into the black and the brown. And I am going to just start on the outside. And I'm just going to work this in a little bit. And you're not going to need to blend it because it's already kind of got its own fade going. And I don't have to smoke it out or anything. It's a non-smoky look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I had to do a voiceover, and here I go. Guys, okay, so I don't know if this got recorded or not, and I'm hoping that it did. If for some reason it didn't, and I do have to do a talk through on it, I did ended up stopping at the part where I did the liner on the bottom here. Well, I wore it the other night, and it's very light. And I am going to put some mascara on. This was just a really easy look, and I just really felt like I wanted to share it with you guys. And I didn't use any type of liner. I used powder, everything on my face. I started with my brow bone. I worked my way down. I went really ham on the inner corner, and I mean, I'm sure if you guys heard it, then you heard it. If not, then it's okay too. But I didn't smoke out anything. I didn't, go crazy on anything. But I'm going to use the Ciate Wonder Wand mascara. It looks like this. The wand on this is absolutely amazing. It does. I'm struggling with Too Faced right now, so I will not be putting any of their products on my face for right now until I get over their crazy. So this is so much of a. I was telling my friend last night, if you're on my live, I was saying that this is such a good option if you don't want to get the Too Faced mascara. The wand on this is so similar. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and fast forward. As you can see, I know a lot of people are complaining about that Too Faced mascara, and this is a completely different formula, so you might want to try this. If you don't like the Too Faced mascara, then you might want to try this, because I do know for a fact that this does not dry out really fast. This does not flake off onto your under eye. This does not go into your crease, and this is definitely a good option, not only because of the wand, but just because of the formula as well. So I just want to let you guys, inform you guys about that. So as always, I love to do my lipstick with you guys, so I'm going to pull out something beautiful here. So I'm going to use my Underground pencil here from Gerard. So this may not match the liner that I have, but I'm going to try this. I think my friend, I think Sherry sent this to me. This is one of the Maybelline Superstay inks, matte ink, and this is in the color Visionary. Okay. All right, so I'm going to try this and see how it looks. Ooh. Well, that is dark. Okay, it looks good. I'm going to have to put a gloss on top of this. So, okay. So this is the Tarteist. Is it Tarteist or Tartiste? Because I hear all different things. All right, so it's the Tarteist lip paint. And this is in the color, and it's the Famous. And this was, I believe, in our BoxyLuxe. If I'm wrong, correct me at the bottom. But I'm going to tap over my lip look here. And I'm going to show you guys how I keep my lip glosses from getting crazy on the wand. So I'm going to tap over the middle. And every time I go back in for it to tap, to get more product on, I take a cotton flat and I wipe the wand off so that it doesn't transfer. your lipstick to the inside of the tube. So this is the finished look. Yes, my lips are a little darker than I was expecting, but really I didn't do it for the lips. I did it for the eyes, and I just want to show you guys a really quick, easy, beautiful way to get a really nice look done, and you know, almost a no makeup, but not really. Like I said, not really. You know, it's like easy makeup. And starting from the brow bone and working your way down and out, I think it's very easy. This lip, I actually love this lipstick. It smells really good. The formula is really nice, and I love the gloss over it, but I don't like that gloss because it starts building up in the corners of your mouth. I can't stand that. But I'm not 100% sure if I picked the right lip for this eye. So, but this lipstick is beautiful. So, and I'll show you a close-up of the finished product. Okay, so it was just super easy. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. I like short and sweet videos when I can show you guys something really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, and hit the ring-a-dingy bell. I will support you back as always. I love y'all, but I will not argue with you guys. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the afternoon. I'll see you on my next video.